Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Experian IdentityWorks alerts for data breach monitoring step by step clearly. To begin, access your Experian IdentityWorks account by logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you manage your identity protection settings. Look for the section labeled Alerts or Notifications. Click on that section to view your current alert settings. Within the Alerts section, select the option to configure or customize your alerts. You will see various alert categories such as credit card alerts, social security alerts, and data breach alerts. For data breach monitoring, focus on the specific alerts related to breaches. Check the box next to data breach alerts to enable them. You may also find options to set the frequency of these alerts, such as real-time notifications or daily summaries. Choose your preferred frequency based on your monitoring needs. Next, provide an email address or phone number where you want these alerts to be sent. Ensure that the contact information is accurate to avoid missing important notifications. After filling in the necessary fields, look for a Save or Apply Changes button and click it. Your settings will now be updated, and you should receive alerts based on your configuration. To verify that your alerts are set correctly, consider conducting a test by triggering a notification if possible. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders for any missed notifications. Finally, revisit your alert settings periodically to ensure they still meet your monitoring needs. That's it. Your Experian IdentityWorks alerts for data breach monitoring are now configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.